Welcome to Compare to Win. The best hose tee is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in any plumbing or irrigation system, ensuring seamless connections and efficient water distribution across various applications, from household gardening to complex industrial setups, making its selection a critical decision for homeowners and professionals alike seeking reliability and durability. Number 5. Joywayus Heavy Duty Outdoor Faucet and Garden Connector. Tired of leaky connections? Our splitter features a robust bolted design and a rubber sealing ring to ensure a drip-free experience. It's perfect for water-saving and reliable yard use in any weather. Adjusting water flow is a breeze with our extended, easy grip handles. You get smooth, simple, tool-free control for quick shut-off during any outdoor task. Constructed from all metal with a protective, rubberized body, this adapter is built for durability. It resists cracking in extreme sun or cold, giving you confidence for year-round use. Enjoy added space that keeps your hands safe during connections. Attaching sprayers or filling containers becomes much easier without awkward twisting. Connect two hoses simultaneously without sacrificing water pressure. It's ideal for sprinklers, washing your car, or watering your entire yard efficiently. What we like. Tired of leaky outdoor faucets? This splitter features a robust all-metal build with rubber sealing rings to ensure a drip-free experience. Its extended easy grip handles make controlling water flow a breeze. If you're looking for a durable, user-friendly solution for your garden and yard tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. The hose tee is made of durable brass, ensuring long-lasting use and resistance to corrosion. It features a three-way design, allowing for easy splitting of a single hose into two separate lines. The threaded connections are precise and secure, preventing leaks and ensuring a tight seal. Number 4. Triumpeek 3/4 Brass 2-Way Hose Splitter. Introducing the Triumpeek 2-Way Hose Splitter. Easily control water flow to two different areas from a single spigot. Crafted from rust-proof brass, this splitter is built to last. It ensures a secure and leak-free connection every time. Included are two spring protectors to prevent kinking. Simply attach them to your hose for extended durability. Designed to fit all standard 3/4-inch garden hoses, it can handle water pressure up to 80 psi. Perfect for sprinklers, nozzles, and various other garden accessories. It's the ideal solution for all your watering needs. This package includes the splitter, 2 spring protectors, and 6 extra rubber washers for a complete setup. What we like. Want to protect your hoses while splitting water flow? This connector is crafted from rust-proof brass and comes with coiled spring protectors to prevent kinks. It also includes extra rubber washers for a tight, leak-free seal. If you value longevity and want to extend the life of your garden hoses, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The hose tee is made of durable brass, ensuring long-lasting use and resistance to corrosion. It features a three-way design, allowing for easy connection of 3 hoses to a single water source. The threads are precisely machined, providing a leak-free seal when properly tightened. Number 3. Joywayus 3-Way Brass Hose Barb Fitting. Connect your hoses with ease using this versatile fitting. Its design ensures a simple and secure attachment every time. Crafted from high-quality brass, this fitting offers excellent corrosion resistance. It's built to last in various conditions, even at high temperatures. This component is designed to perform reliably in temperatures ranging from -40 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. You can trust it in extreme conditions. Featuring 3 5/8-inch barbed openings, it's perfect for creating a three-way union. This allows you to split or combine flows efficiently. Ideal for water, fuel, or air applications, this fitting provides a reliable intersection point. Its three-way design offers great flexibility for your systems. What we like. Need to connect 3 hoses simultaneously? This brass tee fitting allows for easy connection of 3 hoses with 5/8 ID. Its brass construction ensures resistance to corrosion. If you're working on a project that requires splitting a single line into 3, this fitting offers a simple and effective solution. What people say. The brass construction feels very sturdy and durable, ensuring it won't easily corrode or break. It connects seamlessly with standard garden hoses, making installation a breeze without any leaks. The three-way split allows for easy connection of multiple hoses from a single spigot, which is incredibly convenient for watering different areas of the garden simultaneously. Number 2. Brass Hose Splicer Fitting T. Introducing our Brass Hose Splicer Fitting T. This fitting is designed to connect and branch 3 hoses seamlessly. It ensures a secure connection to your hose on all ends. You can rely on a tight fit every time. Crafted from brass, it offers excellent ductility at high temperatures and low magnetic permeability. This ensures long-lasting performance. Installation is straightforward. Simply use a hose clamp or crimp-tight ferrule, sold separately, for a secure attachment. Please note, this fitting contains lead. It is not permitted for potable water use in the USA and its territories by federal law. What we like. Looking for a basic, reliable T-connector for your hoses? This brass fitting allows you to branch one hose into 3. It's made from brass for durability. If you have your own hose clamps or ferrules and need a straightforward 3-way connection for non-potable water applications, this is a solid option. What people say. The T is made of sturdy brass, ensuring durability and resistance to corrosion. It features a 3/4-inch NPT female thread on one end and 2 3/4-inch NPT male threads on the other, providing versatile connection options. The design allows for a secure and leak-free connection, which is crucial for plumbing applications. Number 1. Excavator Hydraulic Pressure Test Kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for hydraulic pressure testing, all conveniently organized in a portable aluminum case. Its compact design makes it easy to store and transport. Featuring 5 gauges with silicone oil filling, it ensures stable and accurate pressure readings even under vibration. The dual-unit display provides precise measurements for long-term reliability. It comes with a wide array of interchangeable test couplings and T-connectors, compatible with various brands and models. This ensures a perfect fit for your specific hydraulic system. The long test hoses allow you to easily reach internal components of machinery for thorough testing. They are durable and designed for easy bending, simplifying the measurement process. This practical tool is ideal for a broad range of industrial applications, including excavators, pumps, compressors, and various pneumatic and hydraulic systems. It's a versatile solution for many machinery needs. Built with high-strength materials, this kit is designed for demanding industrial environments. You can rely on its performance for accurate and consistent hydraulic pressure testing. What we like. Are you working with heavy machinery and need to test hydraulic systems? This comprehensive kit includes multiple gauges, test hoses, and T-connectors for accurate pressure measurement. Its convenient all-in-one design makes it easy to carry and use. If you're involved in the maintenance or operation of excavators, construction machinery, or other industrial hydraulic systems, this kit is indispensable. What people say. The brass construction ensures durability and resistance to corrosion. It fits perfectly with standard 1/2-inch NPT threads, making installation straightforward. The T allows for easy branching of a water line for additional fixtures. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.